What is up, my boys? You already know who we are. We're Glitch Club. We're out here at Houston Car Meets. It's lit. It's lit out here. It's lit out here. Woo! Woo! Shit. You see that hoe? You see the R34? Yeah. Look at it. Wow. Thank you, editor. Damn. Nah, but on seriousness, we paid $20 to come here. Each. $20 each. There's 4 cars here. We'll record the cars. We're probably gonna go somewhere and get food right now. And then we're gonna come back because there's literally nobody here. We got La Mamalona. He's what?
Hungry.
He's hungry? Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.
Daddy, chill.
What is up, my boys? We're at meet location number 2.
We got hungry.
And that shit only had like 4 cars. So we're gonna try to let them cook while we eat. So yeah, eat that sandwich. Alright, my boys, so I finished my food. We're waiting on him. But it's in Car Meets. We gave you more than 30 minutes so far. We stopped here at 7:30. So we'll probably be there in 15 minutes, mister. 15 minutes. If it's not good when we get back,
You're grounded.
yeah, we're never going to your meet again. The only reason why we're still going back is because we paid $20 each. And we're broke and we need to get our money out of it.
A few moments later.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you.
Damn, that whole loud. But anyways, boys, we're trusting the process now.
Sir.
It's looking way better. We've been here for about 30 minutes. Probably give it 30 more minutes. See if anything else pulls up. But everything looks good so far. What do you think?
Honestly, it's not a bad turnout. It was pretty bad.
I ain't gonna lie. But like, I'm not trying to hold you guys against the armies, but it was kind of bad at first because of the rain. It's not your fault. But god damn. God damn.
Bro, that's crazy.
That's
What's up, my boys? So it was a pretty good meet, I ain't gonna lie. It was a rocky start, but I can say it was a good meet. But we'll catch y'all later. Oh.
Motorcycle?
So as you can hear, better.
Yeah, I got way from earlier. But we're gonna call it a night. We've been here for like an hour or two. So.
Yeah, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Please like, subscribe.
Comment down below what's your favorite part of the video. Which one was your favorite Christmas light car? Let us know down below.
Was it me?
And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can see every time we post a new video. But we'll catch y'all in the next one.
Later.